Here are 5 VS Code extensions every developer should have. Let's check them out. First, we have Material Icon Theme. This extension gives your files and folders in VS Code colorful, recognizable icons. So instead of looking at a long list of plain file names, you can instantly identify images, folders, and more. Next is CodeSnap. Need to share a beautiful screenshot of your code? Just select the code you want, take a snapshot with CodeSnap, and you'll get a clean image that you can easily share. Number 3 is Live Server. If you're working with HTML, this extension lets you launch your website directly from VS Code. And the best part? When you make changes to your code, the browser can automatically refresh so you can see the results immediately. Number 4 is ADB QR. If you're developing Android or mobile apps, this one can be really useful. It lets you connect your Android phone to VS Code using a QR code, making it easier to test and run your mobile apps directly on your physical device. And finally, we have Theme. If you like customizing your development environment, Theme lets you quickly change and experiment with your VS Code theme. It's a simple way to give your editor a fresh look and make your coding setup feel more personal. And those were 5 VS Code extensions that can seriously improve your development workflow. Which extension would you like more? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more developer tips.